Welcome to
Coding with Kids.
My name is Kalia.
My name is Andrew.
Today we're in Edabit.
So Edabit is a coding platform where there are lots of coding problems and you can solve them using different coding languages. So today we're going to solve 3 coding problems using Python. So our first problem is called inches to feet. Create a function that accepts the measurement value in inches and returns the equivalent of the measurement value in feet. If we're just going to round up to the approximate if it's not divisible by 12. So here there's 12 inches, which is equal to 1 feet, and then 36 inches is 3 feet. If inches are under 12, return 0, and 12 inches equals 1 foot. Okay, so first we have a function called inches to feet with a number which is inches. So first we need to eliminate the options that are less than 12 inches, because less than 12 inches we're going to round it to 0 feet. So we're going to do if inches is less than 12, we're going to return 0, because we need to return 0 if it is 0 feet. Then after we've eliminated all the other 12 options, we're going to calculate how many feet and round it to approximate. So I think they're all divisible by 12. Okay, so then we're going to divide it by 12, because there are 12 inches and 1 foot. So 3 feet equals inches divided by 12. So now we have the feet, we need to return it, and we're going to return the number of feet in the given amount of inches. So now let's check it and see the test cases. So there's 3,612 inches is 301 feet, and there is 324 inches is 27 feet. Okay, so now we pass all our tests onto our next coding challenge. So then we have count the syllables. Create a function that returns the number of syllables in a simple string. The string is made up of short repeated words like la 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 la, which would have 7 syllables. So here you can see a cheat code, is that it tells us that please note each syllable will consist of 2 letters only, so this will make it a lot easier. Okay, so here it's always the same repeating thing. So first we have a function called count syllables with the text called text. So we return the number of syllables. So first we need to calculate how many syllables there are. So remember that each syllable is 2 letters. So to make it easy, we're going to divide the length of each word of each text by 2 to get the syllables. So we're going to do length equals len text. So the len function is a function that takes the length of something, for example, the amount of letters in a text. So if now we have the length of the text, we're going to divide it by 2 to get the syllables, because each syllable is 2 letters. So here we have syllable equals length divided by 2. Finally, we're going to return that, so return syllable. So now here you can see there's dd, which is 2, and then go, which is only 2 letters, so it's 1. And then li is 4. So now we pass all our tests onto our final coding challenge. So our final coding challenge is called evaluate an equation. So it's very simple instructions. Create a function that evaluates an equation.
Basically, like solve the equation.
Yeah, so here 1 plus 2 equals 3, and then 3 plus 2 minus 4 is 1. So don't print, return a value, and you return the answer, not the equation. Okay? So first we have a function called EQ with the equation we're supposed to evaluate. So this is very simple if you know how to do it. So we just do a variable answer equals eval evaluate. So the eval function is a very useful function when you're doing math in Python. So it basically just evaluates the given equation, and we're just going to return the answer that we get. So let's see some of the equations. So what is 3? That is 5 times 8 minus 4 is times 9 is 4. Wow. And then 3 plus 2 minus 4 is 1. Okay. And then 3 ** 7 is 2187. Wow. Okay, so now we passed all the tests.
Well, that was fun, and that's it for today. Thank you for watching. Remember to smash the like button and subscribe. Bye-bye.